Hello everyone. In this session, we will understand the last topic of object-oriented programming, that is abstraction. Now let me give you an example. Suppose your parent wants to give all its properties to you, but he gives you a condition. Okay, you can take all my properties, but you have to bring 90% marks. So you get the point. You will get all the properties of your parents, but you have to fulfill the condition. That is what is known as abstraction. Here also, you have a parent class, you have a child class. Now, parent class says that okay, you can take all my properties, but you have to fulfill some condition. So, the parent class provides some restriction to the child class. Now, let's see how we implement this. See here, shape is the parent class. It has its constructor and it has given as an abstract method. So this class is known as abstract class. What is an abstract class? Abstract class means it will contain at least one abstract method. Here you can see this is an abstract method. Now what is an abstract method? Abstract method is that condition which the child class has to fulfill. So here before area method I have written abstract method. That means if you want to inherit the shape class, then you have to implement this area method. You get my point? It's simple. Like rectangle. Rectangle is the child class. Now rectangle wants to inherit the shape class. So what does rectangle have to do now? It has to implement a method, that is an area method. This is must. If you don't implement the area method, you cannot inherit the properties of shape. Clear? Now see here rectangle. Here see I have implemented the area method. You can write anything inside it, but you have to implement the method. This method must be present in your class. See here the circle class. I am inheriting the shape function. You have to implement the area method. Okay. When a parent class declares any method as abstract method, you have to simply inherit this. And this, I think you have known in our last class, we studied that this is nothing but a decorator. So to apply this decorator, you have to import this ABC module. ABC means abstract base classes, where this abstract method is defined. So now to use this, you have to import this abstract method. Okay. So this is known as abstraction. This shape class is abstract class. This shape class is holding an abstract method. Area is that abstract method. Whoever wants to inherit the properties of shape has to implement this area method. This is the gist of everything. Okay. If you don't want to actually implement, then also you can keep it as abstract method and just writing it as pass. Let me show you. If I just write it abstract method and I write nothing inside it, then also it will be fine. Let me show you the output. See here, this one is executed. Uh, this one is also fine. I have not written anything, but I have just written pass. That means do nothing. And I have also mentioned that it is an abstract method. Okay. At least you have to keep this method inside the class. Here also, here I have implemented the area. Now if I run it, see, I have created two objects, rectangle object, circle object of different classes, and I am trying to print the area. So rectangle area, as I have written nothing inside it, so it is showing as none, and circle area, it is showing as 50.20. So clear, this is all about abstraction. We have completed everything related to object-oriented programming. Okay, bye, happy learning.